Don't miss this wonderful opportunity because this opportunity doesn't ask you to code in their online assessment. Yes, their online assessment is totally free from coding questions. Now, I'm talking about Infosys has started mega on-campus hiring for 2025 batch. Yes, you heard it right. You can get your on-campus opportunity link from your TPO where you will find Infosys System Engineer role that currently Infosys is hiring for. It is a very good role, I would say, as respective to the other service-based company because Infosys is a well-known company. And the thing is, the salary that everyone wants to know about this particular opportunity is 3.6 LPA. But the learning in this particular company is totally exponential. So do try to crack this opportunity because this opportunity is compared to the other, it is typical easy. Okay, so now let's discuss overview of a selection process. Now, Infosys conduct 2 rounds in this particular opportunity, which is online assessment, technical, and HR interview. Okay, I will not deep dive into what type of procedure that or how the hiring procedure will go on. This video is totally about how you can ace this particular opportunity. So now, round 1 online assessment breakdown. Let's break it down into chunks so that we can more easy to analyze what actually topic is and what type of questions and minutes that you will gonna get in your exam. So logical reasoning, you will get 5 questions for 25 minutes. Okay, you need to solve it. Now, quantitative aptitude, 10 questions at 25 minutes. Verbal ability, 20 questions, 20 minutes. Pseudocode, 5 questions, 10 minutes. Puzzle solving, 4 questions, 10 minutes. Now, I talk about all the topics here, is it? But what about the important topics inside it? Because logical reasoning itself, a book of around 1000 plus topics, is it, or 100 plus topics? So which topic we need to focus on, Aditya? Or in quantitative aptitude or verbal ability and pseudocode? What do you mean by pseudocode? Everything I will clear in the next slide, which is logical reasoning. If you talk about the important topics that you need to study, the verbal and non-verbal reasoning. Okay, so I segregate or I separated a whole stuff of syllabus into just verbal and non-verbal thing. So you need to prepare a lot in non-verbal and verbal questions or reasoning, series completion, analogy and puzzle sets. Great. Quantitative aptitude, time, work, distance, train, profit loss, and percentage, etc. Now you might wonder, Aditya, how you got these important topics? See, I was keep on researching on the internet and I end up having many topic names. Okay, so from all the topic names, I found out the intersection, which is mostly used in most of the interview experiences. Whatever candidate experience in 2024, this time has been came, and I guess 2 years back, it was continuously appearing. But in 2020, I researched a lot from that interview era, and I end up having all these question list. Yes. So error spotting, sentence correction, para jumbles, and reading comprehensions in verbal ability, then pseudocode. Now, what is pseudocode? Basic coding knowledge in C, C++, DBMS, and SQL. You can expect a question. It could be an incomplete question. It could be an error, a code snippet, or it could be you need to predict the output of that particular code snippet. Yes. Now, about the puzzle solving, which is a mathematical puzzles that you can expect. Now, you told all the topics, but where I should prepare it from? I will let you know, guys. The tips for success in round 1 would be practice 10 to 20 question daily from each section. Okay, so websites, GFG, IndiaBix will definitely help you to crack this particular section or find out 10 to 20 problems from each topic. Great. IndiaBix is one of the famous for aptitude and GFG famous for everything. Time management and accuracy are crucial. So prepare pseudocode and puzzles from GFG. Yes. So the tips and the success is also being communicated with you. Round 2. Technical and HR interview. Now, before going to round 2, if you cracked TCS online assessment, able to solve 2 problems, or Capgemini, Cognizant, Infosys, anything, we are here to convert your interview opportunity into your offer letter. How, you might wonder? You just need to head on to www.primecoding.in. There will convert your interview opportunity into offer letter, definitely, because you will get 1 hour of comprehensive mock session where we'll let you know how you can ace your interview, how you need to speak there, what is your problem, how you can enhance your speaking skills, and what is your weak points. Everything would be taken care in the mock session. After that, in detail resume review, and the expert who's taking your interview will definitely see whatever you are doing, the motivation that he will give, the doubt solving, and much more. Whatever you think of, you will get in the mock session. So hundreds of bucks of investment will give you lakhs of rupees benefit. So what are you waiting for? Just head on to primecoding.in and you're done. So technical and HR round are combined here. Okay, so it will typically range about 30 minutes or 40 minutes, totally depend upon the interviewer mood. Questions range from technical knowledge to HR related topics. We'll discuss very clearly what all topics that you need to study in HR as well. So be prepared for questions about your projects and technical skills. Fantastic. Round 2, important technical questions. Introduce yourself, explain your final year project. Okay, because most probably the interview will happen in your January or February, or if it is on the track, then definitely in November, December. So yes, you can expect what you did in your final year project, or what is your final year project topic. Okay, you need to tell what role of responsibility you took and how you are performing into your team. In-depth questions on your project that you are currently building. It may be on your resume project, or it may be on your final year project. How you are using MERN stack, mean stack, ML algorithm, AI algorithm, anything. Whatever you wrote in your resume, or whatever you used or think of using in your final year project, you can expect the questions on it. Now, favorite technical subject. Okay, so this is a trap that they are throwing on you. Now, if please try to be very active on this particular question, because in flow people used to say problem solving, data structures, algorithm. Now they're gonna get more hard problems or medium level problems on the theoretical part. So you don't need to tell these types of stuff bluntly. If you are confident, then only speak about the topic that you know. Now, the thing that I want to take a note or tell you is, SQL queries is mandatory to study in this round. They will ask you, it is not the hard level, it is of easy or easy medium question that you can expect. Okay, like finding maximum, minimum. I would say aggregation function uses. You need to study about aggregation function and how you can use it, how we can print the table data in a sorting format and stuff. DSA theory questions, which is linear, non-linear, array, stack, or queues, or linked list. And OOPS is one of the important things, because Infosys do focus on OOPS in any of the role that they are interviewing for. And question on SDLC. So SDLC is most ignored topic, people not usually study. But in Infosys, you can expect SDLC problems. And in SDLC, they can ask you to list the steps, or whatever it is included in software development lifecycle, or in Agile. Okay, Agile and Scrums, they can ask you what do you mean by Agile and Scrum and how it works, and what you think is the best choice to work in corporate. And C versus C++, or C versus Python, or C++ versus Java, totally based on your resume, whatever you wrote in your resume. Pointers. Okay, if you're talking about C++ or C, you should be very thorough with pointers, because pointers only supported by these types of programming languages. Now, you can expect n number of programming based questions. Okay, what do you mean by Python? Why you choose Python, why, or what is the difference between tuple and list, these types of problems. Now, if you talk about HR questions, why Infosys, why do you want to this role, or how do you see yourself in next 5 years, any question from interview. See, try to end your questions on a good note. Okay, because the people don't ask few questions. You should ask the questions which shows you are totally interested in their company and whatever role that they're gonna allocate you. Or there is a quick tip, if they ask you, okay, are you available for relocation, or are you comfortable with relocation, you should say yes. Afterwards you can see, but you need to say yes, because I saw people told no and get rejected. Now, final suggestions and resources. So prepare thoroughly using resources like GFG. Okay, you just need to write Infosys System Engineer interview experience. There people has continuously pinned up the resources that they used, and you can use India Mix for practicing the topic that I just now told to you. Practice mock interviews with your friends or online platforms will definitely help you out. And one of the platform Prime Coding is also providing, where you will get good amount of benefit. Mark my words. Revise technical fundamental and brush up on your key subjects. Key subject totally based on your stream, in which stream you are in. Okay, you can totally expect the questions on your stream or in the core CS stuff as well. Stay calm and focused. Be prepared. Have a good gesture, openings, and try to be groomed well. Okay, so these are the final suggestions from my side. Thanks for watching this video. Let me know how I can help you to prepare for your system engineering. Let me know in the comment section. We'll create a video on it for sure. And we will meet you with a new video. But before going, do share with your friends, because let your friend also crack this particular on-campus opportunity by seeing the important topics that need to be studied. So please subscribe if you have not, like this video and share with your friends. We'll meet you with a new video soon. All the very best.